ರಾಜ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
भाइयों बहनों ಕೊಡ್ಲದ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ.
ये मेरे वतन के लोगों, मोदी को वोट दो ना.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another beautiful vlog, and today is a very special interesting vlog because PM Narendra Modi is visiting us in Mangalore. Every year for the Lok Sabha election we usually have a meet where usually Modi speaks to the crowd, but this time we are doing a road show. So I'm waiting for my friend Vignesh Talks with Viggy. He's yet to come, and once he comes we will be going ahead where the road show is happening. But I'll just flip the camera and you can see the road above us, the main road that is Chilimbi main road, has been completely shut down for the convoy. So yeah, here it is. So this is the road that goes towards the road show, which is happening in from Lady Hill Circle. That's the Narayan Guru Circle. From there it goes on towards Hampankata. But yeah, this is the current scenario right now, and let's see how things go ahead from here. There is Mr. Talks with Viggy coming in full force so that we can go and meet and see. How are you feeling, mate?
I just went back and I came again.
You're going, you came all the way till here?
Yeah.
And now you're going back?
I'm going again, yeah. Lots
So,
of people have joined.
how do you think it's gonna go? Modi's meet, this time road show.
Yeah.
Usually it's always been, what do you call? Speech and whatever that thing is. But this time it's a road show. And what about the arrangements that has been done so far? What do you think?
Well, I just went there for a walk, right? So they have segregated. There's some scene at the back.
Yeah.
They have blocked
Fully,
all the roads.
yeah, there's fully.
What's surprising is they've taken off all the humps also where the Prime Minister is going.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Even in the, I think Prime Minister won't be coming through this way.
He'll be coming this only. He'll be coming. All the humps that's been on the road has been taken off.
For this way?
Yeah. You can notice tomorrow. There's one there.
One in the front. Yeah, but
it's been
yeah.
taken off.
So
people are gathering still. As usual, Mangalore is like a safe haven for people.
Yeah, but I don't know if this framing is coming because I'm just doing it on this
But
thing.
they can hear us.
But they can hear us. That is the most important thing. So we just got ready. As you can see, the attire is fully in shorts and Crocs. And yeah, that is it. So let's go, and we think we'll talk to a few people regarding how they're feeling about this
Met our
time.
friends there. They're already there.
Who, Shankar, no?
Shreyank's there, Pramit's there. I met Nikhil, Janmit.
They all are there?
Manish. Yeah, they're all in the hub.
Okay. So yeah, let's go there, and I will talk to you guys over there. I am literally not finding any words because it's the first time I am seeing him in person. Literally like not going and meeting him in person.
But still, yeah. I mean, he's a Prime Minister.
He's a Prime Minister. It's
of which
party he belongs to.
He's a Prime Minister.
He's a Prime Minister, and you need to give that respect to a Prime Minister.
True.
So yeah, let's just go there, and then we'll get back to you.
Yes, sir.
ಮಾತಾ ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಬತ್ತು ಸೇರ್ತಿಂಡು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಂಚ ಒಂದುಂಡು ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬರೋಂದುಂಡು ಎಂಚ ಒಂದುಂಡು ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸತಿ ಏಪಲ್ಲ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊರೊಂದಿತ್ತೀರಿ ಈ ಸತಿ ಅವು ಇಜ್ಜಿದ ಐಕದಾದ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ ಸೂಂಡ ಪಾಪನ ಅಂಚ ರಾಜ ಬರೋಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಚ ಅಂದೆ ಸಬಾ ಸಂಚಂಡ ಏನೈತಿ ದೇವೇರ್ ತೂವಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾವೊಂದು ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ರೆ ಕಾತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಖುಷಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಇರ್ದಾನೆ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಗುಲ್ದಿನ ಅಲ್ಪ ಓಡತ್ತ ಏರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಅಂಚ ಸೊ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ
Hi.
How do you think or what do you think by the way?
Actually, I'm very excited because the very first time I'm going to
See Prime Minister.
Prime Minister. So first experience must more than tupanane. So very excited.
What are you looking forward to? The convoy, I think it started.
No crowd must undu. Nanala barondulle ranchad must jana barondulle.
There's a convoy coming. I don't know. Could be others, Yediyurappa. There are a lot of people there.
I don't think Yediyurappa is going to come.
Yeah.
Because he was there in this thing, no? Mysore.
You can
So
come.
boy,
Leopard
ನಮ್ಮ
is
ಎದುರು ಬೋದು ಬರ್ಕನಾ? Come, you want to come? So I think everyone is prepping up. As you all can see, the crowd is fully popped and pumped to see the Prime Minister of India. Everyone's gathering nearby to the area. Everything. Pooja barundan gottu ji bro.
Sri Ramachandra Acharya.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ. Everything is pumped and ready. See the saffron unfurling the whole way. But how? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ರೆ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ 6 ಫೀಟ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಫೀಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಸತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಈ ಸತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಂತೀರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡದಿದ್ರು ಚಿಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮುಖದ ನೋಡುವ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ,
ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ
ಹತ್ತಿರದಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಹಾಗೆ ರೋಡ್ ಶೋ ಹತ್ತಿರದಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದು? ಹೂವಿನ ಮಳೆಯ? ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ 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 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಏ ದುಬೈ ರಾಜ ಮಗ ಎಂಚ ಒಂದು ಮೋದಿ ಎಂಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮೋದಿ ಬರೋದಲ್ಲಿ. Tell bro, how are you feeling?
We are feeling very.
We'll tell the feeling after we see.
We are waiting since last 1 hour.
1 hour.
We are hoping for BJP this election.
So that BJP wins. ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಮೋಹನ್ ಅಂಚ ಇಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ತೋಚುಂಡು. ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಎದುರ್ದ ಆಯ್ತು ಜನ್ಮ.
Full security है ना बोलती नहीं 3-4.
आए बोल दुबई बाबू. ನಾನು ಏಟ್ ಬರ್ತುಂಡು ಬ್ರೋ ಬರ್ರೆ.
ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ.
ಅತ್ಯ do you have to say?
His craze is unreal, man. Unmatched. Probably
I know,
one of
right?
the most sought out politicians in the world.
Crazy feeling. That was an amazing Modi roadshow. Sir, how are you feeling after seeing Prime Minister Modi in our beautiful hometown Mangalore? ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ನಮ್ದು
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ನೋಡುವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಆಗದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
ಹೌದು, ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸತಿ MP ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಬದಲು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಸತಿ ರೋಡ್ ಶೋ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
ರೋಡ್ ಶೋ ಇದೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೆಕೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಶೋ ಈ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಬೆಟರ್
ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬೆಟರ್. ಸೊ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಯಿತು. ಅವರೇ ಈ ಸಲ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮೋದಿ ಅವರೇ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ.
ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವೋಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ?
ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು?
ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕೊಂಡು ಹುಡುಗರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋದ್ರು.
ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಮರಾಜ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೋದಿಯವರೇ ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವರವರ ಬೆಂಬಲವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ಮೋದಿಗೆ ವೋಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸರ್, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ?
ಅದೇ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಬಂದು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೋಟ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವುದಲ್ಲ, ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಲೇಬೇಕು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬನು. ಮೊದಲನೇ ವೋಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಇದೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೋಟ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೋಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ये मेरे वतन के लोग मोदी को वोट दो ना.
Yes, perfect. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So Vignesh, the craze is unreal of Prime Minister Modi. You can see the crowd behind us. It's amazing crowd. No wonder they say he is the most loved Prime Minister of the world. The aura he carries, the personality is matching to another. I don't think any other politician has this craze in India.
Yeah, for sure. In India, I don't see anybody. It's just that, like you said, the aura, the craze, the way he grabs
attention
crowd.
of it, yeah.
He can do it.
Perfect. So let's just dodge this crowd and then we'll talk. So Vignesh, we have come to the end of the roadshow of Prime Minister Modi. What do you have to say regarding this beautiful roadshow?
Yeah, great experience seeing my Prime Minister live. Yeah, it is great. You can see the love that he has all over the country, and especially in Dakshin Kannada, it is always great. But I have to say something to our viewers, especially the younger generation who's going to be voting for the first time. Irrespective of who you vote, please make sure that you vote. Don't waste your vote. Make it count, because that's the only way you can actually choose what's right and wrong. If you don't vote, you don't have reasons to complain at all. You have to vote to anyone, whoever matches your ideology. I don't say that, but please do vote. Do not waste your vote. Every vote is important. Make it count. Let's make our country that much more progressive in the coming years.
Perfect.
Thank you.
So that is what even I have to say regarding this roadshow. So you guys saw the roadshow was amazing. It was full of people. You can still see the people all around me coming back from the roadshow. But yeah, that is it. That was the roadshow of Prime Minister Modi in Mangalore. So one message to all the new voters out there: please do go and vote on the voting day. Don't waste your vote. If you guys don't vote, then you don't have a right to go and complain about the government, that the government is not doing that, this or this. So yeah, don't forget to vote. Please do vote on the voting day. No, like Vignesh said, no matter who the the candidates are, and see which candidate matches your ideology. But please do vote. It doesn't matter whichever party it is. But yeah, please do vote. And that is it from me. So yeah, that is it from me, and that is this vlog of roadshow. I'm vlogging after a year. So hope this vlog makes
Welcome back to my channel.
Yes. We have the boys.
Boys.
Boys, enchant Prime Minister Modi the road show. Tu yaar Prime Minister ne?
Next year. Bayo beno. Kodlada janaklige namaskara. Cholu melu.
Ate ye sati speech itti ji Modi na aita ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದಾದ ಬಂಪರ್
ಇದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು
ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾನ್ ಮೋದಿ ಹಮಾರ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್
ಇದು ಓಲು ಲೈದರ ಪೋಯರಂಡ
ಅತ್ತಮಾರ ಈ ವರ ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾಫಿಯಾ ಎಂದು ಬಂಪ ಅವರ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಂಪ ದಾದ ಕತೆ ದಾದ
ಅವು ನಮ್ಮ
ದಿನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುದು ಕೂಡ ಅಂಚ. So once again, these are the youths that we're supporting for the road show today. These youths are also representing our Dakshin Kannada candidate, Mr. Captain Brijesh Chauta. So any messages out there to the new voters who are going to vote for the first time,
guys? So please vote
responsibly. Vote captain.
Vote captain. So that is it from the youth of Mangalore.
See you next time. Please subscribe and like
once again,
and share.
thanks for all the efforts for the road show. Take care. Baki time in So yeah, as I was saying, that's it. I'm vlogging after a year. So if you guys like the content that I make, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Once again, a huge shout out to my buddy Talks with Vicky, who is behind the camera. And that's it. I hope I see you on the other one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Peace.